Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we'll see having clause in SQL. So we use having clause to filter out group data. For example, if you want to show departments with more than 3 employees or 5 employees, you can use having clause here. So there is a difference between where clause and having clause. Where clause filters rows before grouping and having clause filters rows after grouping. We can take one example to understand having clause. So if you want to find out departments with more than 3 employees, then you can use group by here. And if you are using group by, then you have to use having clause to filter out group data. So we can write query. We'll select from employee. And now we'll write what we want to select. We want to select department and we want to select count. Count as total employees. Now we'll apply group by on department column because we want to count number of employees in each department. Group by on department. Now we want only those departments which have more than 3 employees. Here we can use having clause. In having we will add condition count is greater than 3. If you will try to use where condition here, this will give error. This will give syntax error because we cannot use after group by, we cannot use where clause. You can use where clause before group by. So here we will use having. And we are using having clause here because we want to filter out group data. If you want to filter before grouping, then you can use where clause after from. So if we will execute this, we will get departments with more than 3 employees. If we will execute, we can see we have only one department with more than 3 employees. If we will add here equal to, we will get departments with more than or equal to 3 employees. So we have 2 departments, IT department and sales department. Sales department have 3 employees and IT department have 4 employees. So in this way we can use having clause. So another example we can, so we have one question here. We'll find out departments whose sum of salary is greater than 50,000. So we'll copy this query and we will do changes in this query itself. So here we want to find out sum. So we can use sum aggregate function. Salary, we'll pass salary. So here first we will sum out salaries of employees of each department. Department wise we will sum up the salary and then we will add condition on sum of salary which is greater than 50,000. So here sum function will calculate total on the basis of departments, and then after grouping having will filter out data on the basis of condition. So these are 2 examples to understand group by as well as having. So you can use group by when you need to summarize data, and you can use having when you want to filter that summarized data. So this is for today's video. So in this video we have learned how to use group by and having clause with real life examples. If you found this video helpful, do like to the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.